Hey everyone, what's going on? Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about Clickbank and how you can actually make money on Clickbank without having to build your list. So if you watch any of my videos, in past, especially about Clickbank or affiliate marketing, you know that I'll always say the key to becoming successful in affiliate marketing is to build a list, because building your list is your business. You know, your list is your business. If you don't have a list, you don't have a business. But let's say for some reason you don't want to build a list, you know, I don't know what would that reason be, but let's say you don't want to build a list. What you can do to actually make money on Clickbank. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to share a couple of strategies that you can use to make money on Clickbank, make commissions on Clickbank without having to build an email list. All right, so before we start, make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber. If it's your first time watching any of my videos, you should definitely subscribe. I make videos every single day about affiliate marketing. I share all of these cool details and strategies that you can use to build your online business and earn commissions online. So you should definitely subscribe if you're not a subscriber. All right, so let's go to my computer. Let's talk about different strategies that you can use to make money on Clickbank without having to build your list. Alright everyone, so I'm going to share two strategies that are going to help you to make money on Clickbank without having to build a list. And these are things that I've tested. I want to show you examples, and they're not really that hard to implement. All you got to do is just actually work a little bit, because again, if you don't want to go that way, you know, the conventional way, which is building a list, and that's actually the right way to do this. But if you don't want to go that way, these are the most powerful and fastest way, literally, to get there. All right, so let me talk about it. Let me explain give you some details on that. So the first way is video marketing, and the strategy behind it is really simple. You make videos on YouTube and you put your affiliate link in the description. Now let me tell you one thing. You know, obviously, if you're one of the people who don't want to make videos, you're not comfortable in front of a camera, I'm gonna actually explain how do you make videos without having to be in front of a camera in a minute. But the idea with video marketing, this is basically how I made my first commission ever, and this is something that I still do every single day. And let me explain this. So the idea here is to build a YouTube channel around a Clickbank product, just one Clickbank product, that's it. So if the Clickbank product is called ABCD something, you want to call this YouTube channel exactly ABCD something. Okay, so you want to build a YouTube channel and you want to keep producing content around that particular product. Okay, so this way what's going to happen is that you're going to dominate everything, that the conversation that is happening around that YouTube channel, especially on search engine, YouTube, Google. And this way you could just basically rank for everything and sell products. Okay, so for example, first of all, the product you want to choose has to be a good product and something that is pretty big on Clickbank or any affiliate marketing platform that you're trying to promote. Okay, and so make sure the product is big enough that has some conversations going on around it, so people are talking about it a little bit. And then you want to make sure that you produce enough content. Now, the way I did it was I was making a video every single week about this product with the product in a title, like ABC product review, ABC product what's inside, ABC product bonus, ABC product update, or something like that. You know, like you just want to keep producing content to dominate the conversation and pretty much everything that happens around this product, so you control what's happening. All right, so let me show you an example here. This is one of the YouTube channels that I built a long time ago. Take a look. These are the videos that I built just promoting that single product. Take a look. And these are not videos that I made in a day, or you know, I was just making video every single day. Now these videos were just, I was making a video once a month, you know, like once every 2 weeks or something like that. So again, this is not gonna happen immediately, but I want you to see it like this. In a year, okay, you're gonna have a YouTube channel, or maybe multiple YouTube channels, like 5 YouTube channels, and all of these 5 YouTube channels are dominating the market around that product, and you're promoting, and you even imagine you sell $1,000 every month. You make $1,000 in commissions every month. and you have 5 of these YouTube channels, you're going to be able to make 5 grand. Okay, so let me show you an example. Take a look. This was a product called CB Passive Income I was promoting, and you know, I have a video about it. There you go. That's bonus. I have another video, again, just talking about a more CB Passive Income review and what's inside the bonus. Again, I have webinars and everything. So you see, guys, it's all about producing enough content to just dominate the product. Now, let me, in case if you don't want to make your own videos, there are a lot of different ways to make videos, by the way. But I talk about this a lot inside Gold Masterclass, or inside Diversity in general. If you're a member, you should definitely go to your course. You're going to be able to learn more about these things in detail. But if you don't, I'm just going to kind of give you a quick review, kind of a quick glance through it. If you don't want to make your own videos, there are a lot of different ways to do this. One way is to basically make a slideshow review. It's really simple. You know, you put some slideshows together and just make a video out of it. Another way is to make a whiteboard video. I don't have a whiteboard video here, but that's one of the things that I teach inside the program. I'm gonna leave a link in the description, by the way, check it out. But yeah, whiteboard videos. Or if you wanna make, actually, let me go to the Fiverr. This is a site where you can make most of the videos that you wanna make. If you don't wanna make your own videos, if you don't wanna record your own videos, this is the place you wanna go. So whiteboard videos, actually, whiteboard animation. There you go. So you know, this is where you can buy your animation, the whiteboard animation. Okay. And you can just pretty much make anything you want. Obviously, it's going to cost some money, but imagine the video that is going to come out of this. You can make a lot of money off of that video. Now, this is going to be like the $350. I'm sure if I order this, I'm going to make that $350 in a month, because that's just yeah, the video that is going to come out of that is going to be so good that I'm going to be able to make that money back fast. Okay, so that's one way. Another way is you can just do a spokesperson or something like that. Video spokesperson. Okay, that's they changed that. You know, it used to be called testimonial, but I think they changed the wording around that. But yeah, so you know, this is where you write a script and give it to someone, and they actually, you know, make a video about that. You make a video saying whatever you want them to say. And yeah, so you can just find a lot of different people. You can find like professional style videos or more amateur videos. If you want to go with affiliate marketing, the best way to do it is to do it amateur, you know, like do an amateur look. You don't want to go too professional, because that's going to look a little bit weird. There you go. For example, this is a good amateur looking one, right? So you just want it to look natural, not forced. Okay. Yeah, so again, a lot of different ways to make a video and put it on YouTube. So that's the first strategy, guys. Make a video once a week. If it's best if you make your own videos, just make a video about product. And if you don't know what to say about the product, one of the best ways you can do it, one of the best things you can do is you can actually contact a product owner and tell them to give you review access. They will give you review access because they want you to review their product, so they make money, obviously. So they will give you review access most likely. So ask for a review access, so you make a video about that, you know, like record your screen and make a video about that. So yeah, that's one way, and it's really, really powerful, guys. Make sure to do that. So this is one way to do this. The next way I want to share with you is called, obviously this is the simpler one, but this is also really, really cool. This strategy is using Facebook groups. Okay, so if you have a Facebook group, it's sometimes almost as powerful as having a list. Okay, so what you do is, with building a Facebook group, what you want to do is you want to start a group. Okay, name it appropriately based on the product you want to promote. For example, if it's a weight loss product, you want to say healthy diet group or something like that. You know, you want to name it appropriately. You don't want to use the product name, the product you want to promote, because that's not gonna look good. So make sure you use something, or you know, something general, but at the same time really nice, something that's gonna attract people to join your group. And what you want to do is you want to post good content on your Facebook group. For example, you do some research, find a couple of nice articles, and just post them once in a while. And what's gonna happen is that if you don't have a audience, people usually like automatically just discover your group, okay, and they will join it. And eventually, after you grow your group, after a while, you're gonna be able to advertise your Clickbank products. So you have an audience that's listening to you. Now, it's not an email list, but it functions like an email list. You have an audience, they're listening to you, and you're gonna be able to advertise your products to them. Okay, and you are in control because you can, you're the manager, you're the admin of the group, right? You can just post whatever you want. So it's really cool. This is one of the best ways to actually do this. It's free, so you don't pay for the Facebook group, right? And it's so powerful because you're actually reaching people directly on their Facebook. So it's really cool, really cool. All right, so yeah, this is another way to do this, guys. Now to close this video, I want to talk about adversity. So guys, if you want to learn all of these things in detail, if you want to learn how to just do these things, if you want to see me doing it click by click, step by step, you should definitely check out Adversity. Now, Adversity isn't just the training that you need to become successful in online marketing, because the thing is, affiliate marketing isn't just one strategy. There are multiple strategies, and you need to choose the right strategy based on the product. So this is really important. This is something no one talks about. It is that you got to choose the right strategy based on the product you're promoting. Okay, there's not just one blueprint to make money online. So Adversity is going to teach you all that stuff step by step, click by click. So you're going to see me actually building campaigns and making money right in front of you and getting traffic to my campaigns and all that stuff. You're going to see it all live in action. But more importantly, it's not just the education, the training you need. It's also the coaching and the system. Okay, so the coaching, if you have a question, you can reach out to us, and we're going to get back to you ASAP and answer your question. So you don't have to go out and waste your own time looking for answers. At the same time, it's a system that actually allows you to make money. So if you want to make money using Adversity itself, you're going to be able to do that. And also the cool thing is you can make big commissions too. So like $1,000, $2,000 commissions. So you should definitely check it out. I'm going to leave a link in the description. Take a look at it. You're going to love it. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any questions. If you're not a subscriber yet, make sure to subscribe. I'm making a video every single day. I took a break for a while. Like, I didn't make any videos for a month, but I'm back and I'm making videos right now. So you should definitely stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to make a lot of videos about affiliate marketing, especially I'm going to talk about traffic, something that people have been asking a lot. So yeah. So make sure to subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one.